Bago natapos ang taong 2025, ay nagtapos sa kolehiyo ang aktor na si Rob Gomez sa Southville International School affiliated with foreign universities sa Las Piñas City. Ibinahagi ng aktor sa PEP.ph na Business Management degree ang kursong natapos niya sa naturang paaralan. Ayon sa kanya, inialay niya ang kanyang college diploma sa kanyang inang si former actress Kate Gomez at sa lola niyang si former actress Agnes Moran. Anya, I took another step. I had a lot of time to get everything in order. And a lot of plans to fulfill. Thankful for everyone who helped, encouraged and believed in me along the way, especially to my mom that never gave up on me. This one was for her and my lola. Ibinalita ng PEP.ph na sinabi ng aktor na plano niyang gamitin sa negosyo ang kursong tinapos niya habang naghihintay siya sa pag-uumpisa ng showbiz projects niya. Anya, I do have new projects coming soon, but I would like to take one step at a time. Apply what I have learned in the process. Learn and do business with friends and or family. Inilahad ni Rob na marami raw siyang natutunang aral mula sa mga personal na karanasan niya sa buhay na naging masalimuot noong taong 2025 at nakaapekto sa kanyang showbiz career. Anya, I would like to learn more about life and how to get better at it, prepare for the near future and have fun doing it.